Hello and welcome to the FortiMonitor video series. In today's video, I will walk through a sample FortiMonitor Windows Agent installation in my on-prem VMware environment. Let's begin. First, log into your FortiMonitor account. Now click in the red plus add button at the top right. In the middle, we can see the FortiMonitor Windows Agent icon. The FortiMonitor Windows Agent is a local monitoring utility that is deployed directly on your physical server, VM, or a cloud server. It allows you to monitor your server's resources, processes, and services. The FortiMonitor Agent also supports several plugins to monitor applications like web servers, databases, caches, and so forth. Click on the Windows Select box. For this video, I will use the quick install instructions. Copy the quick install instructions from the Windows Agent page. Now open an RDP session to the Windows machine and launch PowerShell Windows as administrator. In the Windows PowerShell box, paste the quick install instructions, hit return, and wait a minute or two for the process to finish. Now return to the FortiMonitor screen. Note the agent connection is successful. Click Finish Installation. Now expand the red Instances box at the far left. Note the message, "One instance is processing." It will appear below shortly. Let's give this a few minutes to complete. The process is complete. Note the newly added Windows instance is in the incoming servers folder here. Let's go ahead and click on the instance. We can now view the details for the newly added Windows instance. Notice the agent status, the FQDN, the server key, the timeline, and the monitoring location. Note that it also has been applied the Windows Core template. Scroll down a little bit. We can view the performance metric for this Windows instance, such as the bandwidth, CPU, disk, and memory. There are no metrics as the device was just added, but this is where you can gain insights into the health of the Windows instance. That concludes this video on how to add a FortiMonitor Windows Agent in our on-prem VMware environment. Thanks for watching.